Hey everybody, Math Day 96 with Grandma. Here's our riddle poem to help us with multiplying from Greg Tan today. Crazy eights. 8 is very much like 4, simply double but once more. Since 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, doubling 3 works just as great. What is 8 times 8? It's 8 doubled 3 times. Double once. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 13 is 32. 32 and 32 is 64. What is 8 times 6? It's 6 doubled 3 times. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 24 is 48. Crazy Eights. That's actually the name of a card game. You call it Crazy Eights. All right. Mania by Stuart J. Murphy, illustrated by Renee Andriani. Mania. On Mania Day, the 100th person to enter Parkside Mall would get lots of gifts. The chess club from Wilson Elementary was there to do the counting. Jonathan, Nicole, Gabby, and Stephen stayed at the entrance to count shoppers. Heather, the club's captain, and Mr. Grant, the advisor, waited in the food court to give out the prizes. They all had walkie-talkies. The first person Jonathan saw were his friends Brandon and Brandon's sister Brooke. "Bye, Brandon. See you later," said Brooke as she ran into the mall. "That's one," counted Jonathan. Brandon stayed outside with Jonathan. "I hate shopping," he groaned, "but we have to buy a birthday present for our mom. Brooke's going to find something and then come and get me." Sunny Sports has just donated 2 football tickets for the winner, Mr. Grant announced. "I hate ball, Grant and Brendan. It's not as good as basketball." "Listen up," said Heather. "How many shoppers have come into the mall so far?" "I have 7, 3 over here, 4 here at the north end, just 2 here," said Jonathan. Not quite right for Mom, but it looks great on me." "Nicole and Gabby added that up," ordered Heather. "I'll add the numbers, but one by one, starting from the top. 7 plus 4 is 11. Plus 3 is 14, plus 2 is 16. I'll rearrange the 7, 4, and 3 and 2 and make them easier. 7 plus 3 is 10, and 4 plus 2 is 6. 16. Hey, it added up the same. "I got 16, said Nicole. "Me too," said Gabby. "Slow start," said Heather. "It'll pick up," said Mr. Grant. Then they announced, "The seafood snack just donated a free fish dinner." "Fish? Yuck," complained Brandon over the walkie-talkie. Heather let about 10 minutes go by. "Okay," she said. "How many more people have come in since the last count?" Remember, they already had 16. 8 at the east, 8 at the west. "I got 7. South reports 7, said Jonathan. "Nope, this isn't Mom's style, but it matches my eyes." Brooke's not doing a very good job of shopping for her mom. "Jonathan, Stephen, you do the totaling," directed Heather. "I know, 7 plus 7 is 14, so 8 plus 7 is 1 more, that's 15. 8 plus 7 is 15, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 15 is 30. I'll rearrange the numbers so the doubles are together. 8 and 8 is 16, 7 and 7 is 14, 14 plus 16 is 30. "Total is 30, said Jonathan. "That's what I got too," said Stephen. Heather took out her calculator. "With the 16 we had, that's 46, close to halfway." "All Ears just donated the latest CD by A to Z," Mr. Grant announced. "Gross," muttered Brandon. "I never listened to their music." Pretty soon, Heather said, "Count time." "I've got 8, 7 here, 8 at the north." 8, said Jonathan. "Nothing here for Mom, but this looks great with my new shirt." Stephen and Gabby, what's the total? Asked Heather. I'll try adding the numbers one by one, starting from the bottom. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. Knowing doubles will make this easier. 8 plus 8 is 16, so 8 plus 9 is 17. 7 plus 7 is 14, so 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30, so 15 plus 17 is 32. I get 32, said Stephen. Me too, said Gabby. Added to the 46, we're at 78, Heather said, and the t-shirt factory has just thrown in a yellow shirt, Mr. Grant announced. Yellow's my least favorite color, groaned Brandon. Don't you like anything else, Jonathan? Well, maybe chocolate, said Brandon. Heather asked for a new count just a few minutes later. 5, 5, 5, 6. What are we going to get for Mom? This could be it. Jonathan, Nicole, what does that up to? 8 is just one, 6 is just one more than 5. I can skip count by 5s and add 1. 5, 10, 15, 20 plus 1, 21. Those are almost doubles. That's easy. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 6 is 5 plus 5 is 10 and 1. 21. That's 21, Jonathan and Nicole said eagerly. So 21 plus 78 means we now have a total of 99. The next person to enter the mall will be our big winner. Just then Brooke appeared in the south entrance. Come on, Brandon, I can't find anything for Mom. You gotta help me. And she grabbed his arm and pulled him on. There he is, yelled Jonathan, the 100th shopper. Soon Brandon was standing next to Heather and Mr. Grant in the food court with all his prizes, football tickets, a gift certificate for a fish dinner, A to Z CD, and a bright yellow t-shirt. He couldn't believe his bad luck. And here's one more prize done at the last minute, Mr. Grant announced. A box of chocolates from the candy shop. Great, said Brandon. finally something I like. Excellent, said Brooke. The perfect birthday gift for Mom. Mall Mania.